Hello foodies, welcome to my channel Hello Crafty. In this video I am going to do street style South Indian Bhel Puri. This Bhel Puri is very unique. We're gonna do this with a gravy. We're not gonna add any chutneys to this. This can be taken as an healthy evening snack. I'm gonna show two varieties, so let's get started. I have already soaked 1 cup of yellow peas for about 8 hours. You can soak for minimum 4 hours. You can also make this curry with green peas, but yellow peas is much tastier than green peas. For 1 cup of peas, I'm going to take 3 to 4 cups of water and pressure cook it for 8 whistles on medium flame. Also add in salt according to your taste. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 8 whistles on medium flame. Take a pan and add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Once oil is hot, add in 6 cloves and 1 inch of cinnamon stick. Then goes in half spoon of fennel seeds or saunf. Try not to cook fennel seeds much, it changes color and flavor. We'll quickly add in the next ingredients. That is 4 garlic cloves and 4 pieces of ginger. Try not to use ginger garlic paste as it tastes like pickle. Just saute these in oil. We need not cook much. Next goes in green chilies. Add green chilies according to your spice level. We're not gonna add chili powder much in this gravy. Next add in 2 medium-sized onions sliced. Saute this well until they become translucent. Next goes in 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped. For this gravy, take equal amount of onions and tomatoes. Cook this on a medium flame until tomatoes become soft. Once this mixture is dry and cool, transfer this into a mixie jar and grind it into smooth paste. The quantities which I am showing will serve 4 people. Into the same pan, add in 1 tablespoon of oil, turmeric powder, chili powder and salt according to your taste. Give it a quick stir and don't allow these dry spices to burn. Now we'll add in the grinded paste and mix this well. Now add 1 cup of water and bring it to boil. After pressure cooking the peas for 8 whistles, you can see the peas how soft it becomes. This is perfect. I'll go ahead and add in rest of the peas along with the water. Stir this well, close the lid and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's check on this. This gravy becomes thick once it gets cool. So this is perfect. We can switch off the flame. Take 2 cups of puffed rice. Into that add the gravy which we have prepared. Mix this well and add gravy if it needs more. Into this add grated carrots, chopped onions and chopped cilantro. Mix this and take it into a bowl. Top it up with extra gravy, save and party before you serve. To make egg bhel, cut the boiled egg into chunks. Mix this well. Surprise your friends and family with this unique type of bhel puri. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, share. Also subscribe to my channel Hello Crafty for craft and cooking videos. Thank you.